Where this is basically what they've been sharing so far, is a massive mothership-like structure where in between there is just this one spot from which there is a massive light that's emitting out. Now on October 3rd, this object literally flew extremely close to the planet Mars. And according to the European Space Agency, they've actually revealed this new photo, which is captured by the Mars rover, which they claim is a robot that just keeps driving around in the planet Mars. And as soon as this object got close to Mars, it ended up clicking a picture, and this is basically what it looks like. Now, as you can see, this whole thing has a cylindrical shape, and it's very, very massive in size. Compared to what they were expecting before, they said that it was going to be as big as a Manhattan city size. But now they've just said that it's probably 1,000 times bigger than what they have previously expected. And the fun part is that this whole object, it only emits light from this particular spot for whatever reason, as though it's some sort of an engine that has an exit combustion, which almost makes the Harvard scientists believe that this could not just be some sort of a random comet, whereas they now claim that this could be some sort of a space alien technology, or maybe the fallen angels from the scriptures who used to live before us humans did on Earth. This is like the official pictures that the European Space Agency basically shared. And if you take a look at this, and this is basically what the Mars rover actually captured, and they say that there is some sort of an engine or some sort of a mechanism that's just flying around in space, and this is how huge it looks. It definitely doesn't look like a random rock that's just floating around in space. Now, we've actually got Professor Avi Loeb speaking about this thing, who's a professor from the Harvard Space Research Team.
October 3rd is an important date in this Three-Eye Atlas saga. Why is today so important, and what are we now learning about this thing?
For a simple reason, a picture is worth 1,000 words. And we are about to get the highest resolution images of Three-Eye Atlas when it comes within, is aligned with the plane of the planets around the sun. The arrival time was fine-tuned to come very close to Mars today, and later to Jupiter and Venus. And, and also I noticed that the arrival direction of Three-Eye Atlas was coincident with the direction from where we got the most powerful radio signal back in 1977 that was called the WOW signal, still unresolved.
From Sagittarius, and it comes from that direction, although we don't know the plane, but it comes from that direction in the solar system.
So basically, there was like some sort of a signal that was received from the Sagittarius from outer space in the year 1977. And they named this whole signal that they captured as the WOW signal. Now, the reason why they named it the WOW signal is because for the very first time in humanity, they received some sort of a weird frequency that came from outer space. It almost seemed like someone was trying to get to communicate using the radio frequencies